Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. In this today's session, we have to going to learn agronomy practical uh, lecture. Second lecture, study of methods of transplanting, especially to Rabi crops. Today, aim of the practical is to study different methods of transplanting followed in Rabi crops. The special reference to rice to understand the procedure, advantages, and suitability under irrigated condition. Transplanting involves raising seedlings in nursery and transplanting them into main field to an appropriate age and spacing. This ensures better crop germination, better crop establishment, uniform plant population, efficient use of water and higher yield. Nursery raising means seedlings are raised in well prepared nursery bed. Seeds are sown uniformly and irrigated regularly. Healthy seedlings of 20 to 25 days are used to transplant for Rabi crops or during Rabi crops. Uprooting of seedlings. Seedlings are carefully uprooted from the nursery, washed to remove othering soil, and are bundled for easy transport to the main field without damaging roots. The main field preparation for the rice puddling is necessary. The main field is flooded with the water column of at least 5 centimeters and puddled to create soft soil layer is called puddled condition, which reduces the percolation losses and facilitate easy root penetration of transplanted rice seedlings. Manual transplanting random method. Seedlings are transplanted manually without fixed spacing. This method is a common in small farms but results in uneven plant population, higher labor requirement. Line transplanting. Seedlings are transplanted in a straight rows using markers or ropes at recommended spacing such as 20 into 15 centimeters. This method ensures uniform crop geometry and facilitate intercultural operations. Is known as line transplanting. Transplanting depth. Seedlings should be transplanted shallow at the depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. Deep transplanting results in tillering and poor crop establishment. Mechanical transplanting. Mechanical transplanters use mat type nursery seedlings and transplant them uniformly in rows. This method reduces labor requirement and ensures timely operation. Crop stand after transplanting. Proper transplanting results in uniform crop stand before tillering and high productivity under Rabi conditions. This is today's small lecture about methods of transplanting in Rabi crops. Different methods of transplanting in Rabi crops were studied and documented with neat schematic diagram. Whatever the spaces is there, the students will draw the diagrams like raised nursery bed with seedlings, seedling uprooted with the root systems, puddled field with water layer, random manual transplanting, and line transplanting with uniform spacing, and the correct versus deep transplanting depth, mechanical rice transplanter, and uniform crop stand after transplanting. These empty spaces are nothing but practical manual record for the labeling of the diagram for the students. Thanking you for patient listening. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana. Please like, share, and subscribe to agricultural tutorials.